Native speakers don't use English, their words carry weight. If your English sounds advanced but not powerful, this is why. Today we are diving into 10 advanced collocations with carry. Let's dive right in. The first collocation is carry weight. It means to be influential, respected, or taken seriously. It's about abstract power, not physical. It's used in formal, academic, and professional contexts. It expresses opinions, arguments, or people can carry weight when others trust them. Let's look at examples. His recommendation carries a lot of weight in the industry. Scientific evidence carries more weight than personal opinion. Moving on to the next one, carry implications. It means to have indirect or long-term consequences. It is common in analysis, law, policy, and critical thinking. For example, this decision carries serious legal implications. His words carry political implications. Carry responsibility. It means to be accountable for outcomes or decisions. It is stronger than have responsibility. It suggests moral and professional burden. For example, managers carry responsibility for the team's performance. With authority comes the responsibility you carry. Moving on to the next one, carry expectations. It means to create pressure due to what others anticipate. It is often used when talking about roles, titles, and reputation. For example, leadership positions carry high expectations. His name carries expectations of excellence. Moving on to the next one, carries significance. It means to have importance beyond surface level. It is an academic and analytical collocation. It's perfect for essays and high-level commentary. Let's look at examples. This discovery carries historical significance. His silence carried more significance than his words. Moving on to the next one, carry a burden. It means to endure emotional, psychological, or moral weight. It is metaphorical and expressive. It is used in serious and reflective contexts. Let's look at example. She carries the burden of past mistakes. He carried a heavy emotional burden for years. Let's move to the next one, carry authority. It means to sound confident, legitimate, and credible. It is common in public speaking, leadership, and communication analysis. Let's look at examples. His voice carries authority without being aggressive. The document carries legal authority. Moving on to the next one, carry through. It's actually a phrasal verb. It means to continue something to completion despite difficulty, resistance, or pressure. Carry through focuses on execution and persistence. Despite of hindrance, it is often used when plans face obstacles but still succeed. Let's look at examples. She carried the reform through despite strong opposition. The team failed to carry the strategy through to completion. Let's move to the next one, carry a risk. It means to involve the possibility of danger, loss, or failure. It is neutral and has an analytical tone. It is very common in finance, medicine, and strategical discussions. Let's look at examples. Every investment carries a certain level of risk. The procedure carries minimal risk. Let's move to the last one of the video, carry out, which is also a phrasal verb. It means to complete something methodically and formally. It's much more formal than do. It is frequently used in academic, corporate, and official English. Let's look at examples. The experiment was carried out under controlled conditions. Police carried out a detailed investigation. Advanced English isn't about knowing more words, it's about knowing what your words carry. If this helped, subscribe to Advanced English Unlocked to unlock the next level. And you can check out more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.